नमस्ते प्यारे बच्चों। आई होप you all are fit and fine. Today in general knowledge we will discuss the topic mentioned at page number 6 of your GK book Kidways. Dear students, in today's world we have many possible exciting and attractive career options available. We are given information about different types of profession. We have to write the name of the profession in the space provided against the first letter of the name of profession is given as a clue. The first one is I translate what is said when people do not speak the same language. It mostly happens when representatives of two different countries are going to conversate, as they speak different types of languages. So there is a person who knows both the languages and interpret the meaning to both the persons in their language. The person is named as interpreter. So the person who translates what is said when people do not speak same language is called interpreter. Second, I test eyesight, prescribe lenses and sell them. The word starts with O. There are visuals also at the bottom of the page. At the bottom left corner, the visual will help you. The answer is optician. Optician. Third one, I guide students in their choice of careers and encourage good behavior pattern. So the person who guides regarding career options is called counselor. So the answer is counselor. Fourth one, I play recorded music or video and entertain on TV or radio. The answer is DJ or disc jockey. Disc jockey. Next, I introduce various acts in a live show oblique program. He is called compare. Compare. Next, I am expert at beautiful and artistic writing. The answer starts from the letter C, and the answer is calligrapher. Calligrapher. Seventh, I diagnose and treat mental illness. It refers to a type of medical specialization at post-graduation level, and the answer is psychiatrist. Psychiatrist is a type of doctor who treats the problems related with mind. Next, I correct speech disorders, and he is called speech therapist. Speech therapist. Dear students, ninth one, I make maps. And the person is called, or the profession is named as cartographer. Cartographer. Next, I write and compile dictionaries. The person is called lexicographer. Lexicographer. Next, I advise the insurance company and calculate risks and premiums. Is called actuarist. Actuarist. The last one, I stuff animal skins to make them look like real animals. The person is called taxidermist. Taxidermist. So, dear students, today we talked about the different types of professions or career avenues that are quite exciting, and their names. Now the topic comes to an end. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.